welcome. In this video you will learn about the research series which Murad Academy is about to launch. In this series we will try to answer all your important research questions related to how to do research, as most of our students, especially the beginners, who don't know how to start a research. They have no directions from where to start, where to find research topic. So Murad Academy has brought a research video series for you, for the beginners, to learn how to do research. Plus, now Murad Academy is also offering research services which include learn research proposal writing, thesis writing, research paper writing. Plus, Murad Academy is also offering research supervision services, research guidance services, research consultancy services as well. Plus, we are also offering plagiarism removing services, proofreading services, and we are also selling content accounts. So if you want more details, then visit our website, and you can also email us on the given email ID. So welcome to Murad Academy, the place where people come to learn. Subscribe our channel if you haven't, press on the bell button, and please watch this video till end, because this video is going to be very useful, because in this video I will tell you about the research series which Murad Academy is about to start in their YouTube channel. So, how to do research? The title of this series is, in this series we will answer your questions which are related to research. Okay, which the questions which every researcher or every research student has in his or her mind. So we will try to answer each and every question in this video. In this research series you will learn how to start your thesis till the final submission of your research. You will also learn how to start your research and how to publish your research. Plus, in this useful video series you will get free templates and free study material, free notes, free books, and free data analysis softwares as well. So this video is going to be, this series is going to be very useful for you. So it's highly requested not to miss any video of this series, because this video is going to be, this series is going to be very useful, because in this series I will tell you how you can publish your research, how to find research theory, how to find research topic, how to find research papers, how to find research questionnaire, how to write research methodology, how to write literature review, how to write introduction, and much more. So in this series I will tell you how to start research step by step. Then I will also tell you how to write research step by step. Plus, I will also tell you how to find research topic which many students don't know. Then I will share with you the proper research process. And I will also tell you how to submit your final report, how to do the formatting, editing and referencing of your final report. And I will also share with you software, websites, and much more. So get ready for this exciting, useful research series. So subscribe our channel, press on the bell notification button to get notification of our videos. So thanks for watching.